Today, I'm going to review a protective case for my iPad Pro 2024, the 13-inch version. So, it just got delivered to me. As you can see, I bought the black version, the black one. Inside, they've included a layer for shock absorption and impact protection. And now, I'm going to, take a look inside. The reason I bought this type is because it has a spot to attach the Apple Pencil. For this version, all around it is a layer of rubber. You just need to bend this corner here, slip it in, and that's it. It looks really neat. And this type comes in a lot of colors, so you can choose whichever color you like. As for me, I like the black version. When you close it, the device will automatically turn off, and when you open it, it turns back on. This is where you attach the Apple Pencil. These two buttons on the side are used to increase and decrease the volume. Now I'll flip it over to the back so we can check out the camera module. Here it is, the camera module. So, the camera module is designed to be slightly recessed. So, for example, when you place the iPad on a flat surface, the camera module won't stick out or get in the way. No worries, down here they've designed the holes for the speakers. These two are the speaker grills on both sides, and this is the charging port where you plug in the charger. Now I'll show you the front up close so you can see. The side view, the back view, up here is the button to turn the iPad on and off. Over here on this side there's a magnet. It will attach to this spine part. There, just place it in.